Hey, this is the Top Winning Products channel. Every day we look for new products to sell. This is the best product of the day.
Our next product is the Nativity Wood Puzzle. Now this is a problem solver. It measures about 20 to 15 centimeters, so you can easily display it nicely on a piano shelf, or under the Christmas tree, and it falls under the Christmas Christian niche market. All the pieces fit snugly together as a puzzle inside the frame, when it's time to put it away, and we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on Aliexpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this, and this item is a high perceived value, and it'll give you a good profit margin. And finally, this product has received a lot of engagement on Facebook ad, with 43,000 likes, 3,900 comments, and 4,000 shares. Now the sending price of the Nativity Wood Puzzle is just under $27, whereas the product cost is only $8.05. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $18.94. So sell it now.
Thanks for watching. Now if you liked this video, and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.